What's up, guys? We are here on January 3rd. Just got through doing some maintenance, new tube and some brakes and some lubes. And so we haven't ridden in a few days, and we're ready to get on the trail and make a video. So we're gonna go hit a few hills and see if we can't enjoy the rest of this beautiful day. You ready, Colby? Let's do it, buddy. Let's do it. Yeah, we put the muffler back on, so hopefully it's a little quieter for the viewer. Not much quieter. You're gonna get more. You're gonna get it. You ran through a mud hole?
Yeah, down there.
Yeah, I was right behind you.
Got that big mud hole right there, guys.
Alright, you're on the left, so you got to get the hole shot to beat me to the hole there. Right where Kobe's at, there's a little dip.
You want to get the left? Oh, yeah, the
I'll let you beat me to the hole shot. You ready? You're faster off takeoff anyway. 1, 2, 3.
You go.
Go, boy. See that big rock that was moved up there?
Mm-hmm.
Looked like somebody been out here in a side-by-side.
Mm-hmm.
Once you hit that hill right there. Yeah, again. Loose with the leaves. I better get a little run. Alright, I'm gonna do it one time. On that hill. Probably not a side-by-side. Too much steam. Side-by-side would have ate that up. They hit that tree. I don't know. Maybe a Jeep or something. Nobody's been out here in a long time, so it's kind of weird. And they knocked that big rock right there in the way. our little racetrack. We definitely don't want to hit a rock. And it would be a 200-pound rock. Oh! Oh! Man, you bust your camera, bro. That's better. In case you were wondering, yes, we do track maintenance. These trails aren't just naturally beautiful like this. We have to pick up sticks and rocks and cut limbs and everything every year.
What happened right here?
That's where that truck or whatever hit the big rock there.
They could have came up. But
Yeah, maybe they did come up and over.
I don't know. Because
No, there's no tracks over there. I think they just were too wide and they ran up on it.
But it looks like their tire was like that. So maybe they tried going over, but then they turned around and went back.
All right, let's go to the bottom of the bluff A.
Okay?
All right.
You want to go down the dirt road back?
We'll start at the bluff A, and then we'll go to the dirt road. All right, let's take the other shortcut.
I guess I can go through.
Trees down in our little trail there.
I gotta go through now.
No, we can go around. You know. Yeah, come this way. Watch out, boy. Yeah, trail maintenance there. Easy. Dang, a whole tree, bro. Oh, we're not going through there today. Not this little one y'all see. Let's go look. It's that hickory tree right there. Yeah, we haven't been out here in a few days. I guess. Oh my God. It's 3 trees down here.
Dang, we got some work.
What in the heck? You know what, bro?
We got some work to do.
That's that big storm that came through the other night.
Yeah,
You remember?
yeah.
Like, when was that? The night before New Year's? I don't remember. Anyway, dang. Yeah, You know what happens when this happens?
What?
We make another way. This is too much work to get through here.
Yeah.
We'll go around. We'll cut away over there around those bushes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll cut another trail besides trying to... Man, it'd take me an hour to get through here. Anyway, let's turn around.
Ah, well. It was good while we had it.
I will get it back, just not this one particular route. Hey, look. Our other route's still open right there.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, let's turn around and try the other way. Or does it come out? I can't tell, but I think it's barely on the other side of those ends of those limbs. Let's go around.
Yeah, it goes down. It's open. It's open.
Well, that's cool. Then we just go that way.
As long as we got, I'm glad that we had 2 out.
Yeah, that's right. My goodness.
You can also go down the hill, you know. The big hill.
Yep. Hey, that's life on the trail, man. That happens too on the dirt roads when you go out to try and get to the river and
Yeah.
you've planned a camping weekend and then you get there and there's a tree in the way. That's why we...
One of your old trails?
Yeah. Right up through there. what I mean. It's a little too tall and a little too heavy. This first bike was a 90 and a 50 frame. It was a 90.
Huh?
Yes, it was.
You said it was a 50.
It was a 90 and a 50 frame. This is a 125 and a 90 frame. Yes, we are open this route. There's all the trees over there. Yeah, as much as wood is in that, we'll just go this way from now on. That trail doesn't exist. It's dead to me. These trees fell 20 years ago and we just went around them. Sometimes it's easier just to go around. Pine limbs fell here. That's new. I guess those limbs came out of this big tree here because there's not a pine tree above over here. Look up there. There's a pine limb in that white oak right there.
Yeah.
Man, the winds were kicking out here. We slept through it. We live in a little hole.
There was a tornado 90 minutes away from us on that storm night, but we were blessed and it didn't hit us.
That's right. Some of our neighbors woke up and said it got real bad, but we were kind of in a hole, so it didn't even wake us up.
We were just at your friend's house.
You ready to hit this one?
Maybe that, baby.
Huh?
Maybe that, baby.
All right.
You gotta go up first.
Yeah. I wanted to record you from the bottom because from the top it doesn't look as impressive.
It's a dang bad hill.
What if I go up and come back down?
I want you to stay up there.
In case you don't make it?
Yeah.
You saw how you launched that thing, dude.
I know, but I still want you to stay up there.
Okay.
There's always problems that can happen, you know.
All right, well, move your bike so I can get through there.
I'll go around the tree.
Okay.
Let me go around the tree first because we're going to run into each other.
It's not really that big a hill, but this isn't a very big bike. And I'm a pretty big dude. Damn, caught my helmet. Probably saw it jerk. That limb shaking right there, about took my visor off. I'm gonna cut that. Much better. Slide this down, take some of these leaves off with me. Yeah. That helps. Coasted to the top. Good job, bro. You like how I took those leaves off?
Yeah. I don't know what I was in.
Will you roll my bike back down here for me?
Huh?
Said roll my bike back down here for me so I don't have to get it.
I'm not rolling it back down because I can't stop it.
I was kidding.
Hey, that's not a truck for that's not a truck for us to climb, but that's a truck to maybe go down.
Which one? The side one?
Yeah. That's a steep one. I don't know about climbing it.
All right.
Now, you got some art pine here.
Yeah, somebody stacked up some wood here.
We got a bunch of heart pine for camping.
Did we move that cooler or did somebody else?
I'm pretty sure we did.
Somebody left this cooler. Probably one of my
Now there's water in it.
local homeless drug addicts. There you go. All right,
Are you ready to go down up there?
I'm ready.
We probably shouldn't film us hunting because like it's gonna say da 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 and scare off the deers.
That's true, but
They have really good deer and it's probably gonna smell it.
smell the camera.
Yeah.
He's gonna smell your dirty head before he smells that camera.
I need a bath.
I know you do.
I haven't had one in 2 weeks.
Come on, bro. All right, let's go the high road to the backside.
I'm a dirty boy, man.
Yes, you are. Another limb down there. Watch it, Kobe.
So like that big field right there, we can hunt in it.
Yeah. It's more like a pine thicket than a field, though.
Huh?
More like a pine thicket. Let's go. did too when I climbed that hill.
Yeah.
It hung my visor and about took me off the bike.
Yeah, my visor almost took me off too.
All right, let's go.
We want to have two bikes on top of each other.
Yeah, roll out.
I just have one thing to say. Auto bikes, roll out.
Hey, always stick to the right in that curve when you're going around that curve, okay? All right, good. Oh, okay.
Can we go back and race?
No, I won. We're not racing again. Truck slid right here. They almost backed off that bluff. It's hard to get them out of there.
I ran out of gas.
So we ran out of gas and ran and got some more gas in the house. And now we're gonna put a little in here to get us back on the trail. You want me to do it or you got it?
You want me to do my first gas tank refill?
Sure. Go easy. They're the same size.
Or do you want me to use the back part?
You can. I had never tried that. Here, take it off. Just leave the top open. The big one.
I don't want to
Oh, no, that won't work. Here, let me do it for you. Let go.
I'm glad this one had gas in it.
Not a lot, but I think it's plenty to get you home.
It probably is.
All right, here, you put your cap back on. Put yourself back together. Sorry about that.
Look at
These gloves make it hard to do anything.
Yeah.
Make it easier to feel my fingers, though.
Yeah.
Yes. That's the worst part about cold weather riding to me is cold hands.
Mhm. And it when you go fast, and it just hits this, and it gets to your face.
Oh yeah.
It's cold.
Yeah, we'll have to start wearing
Face masks.
those masks. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna throw the jug by the trail home. Let's go to the campsite and hang out.
Okay.
we were successful today in getting back on the trail. I guess that's it for today. It'll be dark here in a minute. This little hill we got right here, it makes it sunset out here about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. This is there's a coal mine that goes under this mountain. I got more videos to make about these coal mine areas, but this whole mountain right here has a coal mine running from one end to the other under it.
When are we gonna go to that coal mine?
It's on the hunting club, so it won't be during hunting season.
Definitely not through winter.
No, it'll be spring. So, anyway, we're gonna sign off, guys. Had a fun time riding today. Did you have a good time?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. I'm glad we still got a way around our trail with the trees down.
Yeah.
All right, well, tell them bye.
Bye, guys.
All right, see y'all.
Yeah.